Hey friends, today I am sharing a project using one of our new Creative Kickstart transfers. So we have two new transfers, and then we also have these fun rainbow wood shapes that also come with the flowers. Now you can earn these for free, or you can purchase them on my chalk site, so be sure to watch my Facebook Live where I explained all of the details. So today I am going to be using the Feels Like Sunshine transfer. There's two different phrases that you can add into that one part of the arch. So I'm going to be inking on a sweatshirt, and I'll be using our ink mat. The ink mat is sticky, so it helps keep your fabric from moving around, and it also keeps the ink from bleeding through. Now on sweatshirts I don't have this problem, but if you were using a thinner fabric, you definitely would want to use the mat. But just keeps everything nice and flat and straight for inking on your fabric projects. So I'm going to be using the gold ink, and you'll notice that I'm going to skip the words on the transfer right there. It says stay close to people who feel like sunshine, because what I'm going to do is once I pull that up, I'm going to chalk the other phrase that comes with this transfer that says something beautiful is on the horizon. I just love that one. I thought it would be fun for a sweatshirt. So once I've inked that, I'm going to give it a quick dry just so that I don't smudge the ink when I go in and put that other phrase in there real quick. So I'm just going to give it a quick dry, not all the way, but enough so it won't smudge. And then you'll see here that I'm putting in that other phrase, and I'm only pressing it down where the phrase is so I can ink that. And the multi-tool is a perfect tool for inking these small little words. So just want to be slow as you're pulling it up from fabric. Make sure you got all of that silk screen in there with the ink. So, and then this transfer also comes with these little hearts on either side, which are so cute. That's another reason why I wanted to use this phrase, because I just love those little hearts on the side there. Okay, so once all that's inked, I'm going to give it another quick dry because I want to make sure that I don't smudge my image when I'm pulling that ink mat out of there. And like I said, it's a brand new ink mat, so it's a bit sticky. But once I have that out of there, I'm going to dry it. Now you want to make sure that your ink is fully dry before you heat set it. You can let it sit overnight, or if you're impatient like me, you can blow dry it with a hairdryer. So once that's dry, you're going to put a piece of parchment paper, and then you're going to iron it. I have a Cricut Easy Press, which is great for these projects, but if you don't have that, just a regular old iron works just fine. So each side I'm going to iron. And then once you do that, you are good to go. You can wash and dry your new sweatshirt. So thanks for watching.